Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this easy shake tutorial on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to split these in parts. You don't have to. For instance, you want to add in like the effects to like these clips. Go to effects, go to nightclub, and add in the rebound swing. If you can't find it, just search it up. Here you're going to adjust the strength like a lot and also the size, but you're going to put the speed down to like 2 or like a 1. And then you can just copy and paste the effect, copy and paste the effects to all of your clips that you want to add that shake to. And that's it. If it's too much, just adjust the size and the strength of it. As you can see, it made it like not shake that much. And just like adjust it to your liking, honestly. Okay, so this one's like a little shake because I put the size and the strength to small one. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!